I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Ridgid palm nailer is connected to a 9120 psi regulated air supply and that fittings are tight. Load the correct nail length and gauge and adjust the contact tip tension for consistent feed. Once done, position the nailer on the fastener head and squeeze the trigger in short bursts to seat the nail. You do this to avoid overdriving and to learn the tool's feel before moving to continuous runs. You continue by driving successive nails with controlled bursts, keeping the nailer perpendicular to the work to prevent jams and bent nails. If nails are too shallow or deep, adjust the drive depth and retest on scrap until consistent. Make sure to clamp or hold the workpiece securely. When fastening many nails, reposition clamps periodically to maintain alignment. As you work, listen for irregular sounds. Those indicate misfeeds or worn parts, so you can pause and correct before damaging fasteners. You finish the job by inspecting every nail for flush seating, countersinking or correcting any overdriven or protruding nails with a punch. Then perform quick maintenance. Disconnect air, blow out debris, check O-rings, and apply a few drops of pneumatic tool oil to maintain performance. If the nailer misfires or jams, make sure air pressure is correct. Verify you're using the right nail size and that the nose assembly is clean. Addressing those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.